Take two. Hi there guys and girls, good evening to each and every one of you. How are you all doing? You know what? Just few minutes ago, I met two celebrities there in Gateway Mall 2, but I'm not gonna divulge you. I supposed to watch a movie but time didn't permit me at all, and I want to upload this one for my movie reviews. You know what? I have lots of uploads on my bucket list, but I want to do this first because I want you to know how I feel about this movie. Now, okay. But no guys, I'm not gonna tell you who are these two famous celebrities that I met a while ago. Okay. Hold on, but before that, let me thank the Lord for all the blessings that He gave for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to my mother in Bicol, Fea Bordo, and to all my silent subscribers out there, hi, and to all my Facebook viewers, hello, to all my followers, and to all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces on YouTube, hi. And of course, before I forgot, my 13 lovely countries. Philippines, still on the number one, and secondly, United States. Followed by South Korea, Mexico, in Uzbekistan, Mexico, India, Uzbekistan, Italy, United Kingdom, Indonesia, Japan, Brazil, Canada, and Germany. Hi. Oh, guys, I'm having a tiring... Oh, what's this? Okay. Some kind of... So tiring. Let's make some stretching, okay? Okay guys, let's go back. You know what guys and girls, I felt disappointed for this movie. Thinking that it's a Vilma Santos and Aga Mulak na din loser star. Just like what she did in Deleter. Sorry, but I'm not hating this movie, but I don't also say that I don't like this movie, but it's just a matter of disappointed for this movie. Oh gosh, why is it that? Oh, lights, please, lights. Okay. Oh, there you are. Guys, please bear with me, okay? I can concentrate. Should I make for take 3? Okay, take 3.